Dorji helps the injured child. Norgay Dorji is a small and happy child who lives with his family in a village in Bhutan. He has come to study in a residential school in India on scholarship. He is learning to speak in English. He is good in sports. He represents the school junior football team. Norgay doesn't like other children making fun of him. They say he has small eyes. Norgay feels bad, but he does not say anything. One day Norgay was playing football. The children in the opposite team were playing foul. They had deliberately hit him with boots because he was a good player, and the opposing team was losing the game by 2 goals. Suddenly, a child from the opposite team fell down. He was severely injured. Norgay rushed to help. He carried the child to the medical room. Now everyone liked Norgay. They did not make fun of him. Nick catches the thief. Nick is an intelligent student. He wanted to learn new things. His favorite subject is science. He wants to invent machines and gadgets for different uses. His science teacher encouraged Nick to read science. He helped Nick do the projects. One day, a burglar stole away valuable items from Nick's house. Nick's family now wanted to be careful with burglars. There were too many burglaries taking place in the colony when Nick lived. Everyone in the colony was worried about the thefts taking place. The guard did not know when the thief came and stole away the valuables. Nick had an idea. He told his science teacher that he wanted to make a burglar's alarm. The science teacher helped him make the alarm. The next time when the thief came, the alarm produced a loud siren. Everyone woke up and the thief was caught. Everyone praised Nick for his intelligent act. Animesh doesn't want children to suffer. Animesh was a poor boy. His father could not afford to send him to school. So, he began working in a small factory. It is not legal for children to work when they are less than 18 years old. Animesh was very young. He was only 11 years old. The factory owner made him work very hard. He was paid very little money. One day, some officers came with the police at the factory where Animesh was working. There were many children working in the factory. The police rescued Animesh along with the other children. Animesh started living in a shelter home with the other children. He began studying and learning. Animesh still remembers his old days and feels bad about it. He doesn't want other children to work. He now assists an NGO, non-governmental organization. He tells them how he was treated and forced to work. This NGO rescues children who are working in factories. Kurun Gamba has presence of mind. Kurun Gamba Kumar is a young boy from Manipur. He is very young. Kurun Gamba, now 9, is intelligent and courageous. He enjoys watching cartoons. He has a younger sister whom he plays with. One day, Kurun Gamba was alone with his sister in the house. His parents had gone to attend a relative's marriage. His younger sister was sleeping while he was watching a cartoon film on television. Suddenly, he saw that there was a fire in his room. Kurun Gamba was worried for his sister. He rushed with a blanket to douse the fire. The fire was extinguished. His sister was also safe. Nothing happened to her. Unfortunately, his face, hair, and thighs were slightly burnt. Kurun Gamba had seen Tom dousing fire using a blanket in the cartoon show Tom and Jerry. Everyone praised him for his bravery and his presence of mind. He was awarded the National Bravery Award in 2013.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.